Hello and welcome back. This is Robin and you're watching English Fluency with Robin. Today we are going to part 28 of English grammar. And what we are going to learn today is simple past tense question and answer practice, and this is part A. If you have missed out on the previous classes, kindly check today's video description for English grammar playlist link. You can click on that link to watch from part 1. I highly suggest you to watch from part 1 if you have missed out on the previous classes. So today we are going to continue with simple past tense. We have already completed simple past tense. Real life applications were covered in the last class. So today we are going to start with simple past tense question and answer practice. Before I get started, I like to remind you that I see this not only as a YouTube channel, I see this as a real classroom and you people as my real students. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section. I'll be happy to clarify your doubts and reply to all your comments as well. So I'll be 100% committed in offering you quality training sessions and clearing your doubts. If it is possible, kindly prepare notes or take screenshots of these classes. Okay. So this is not like any other grammar class. That is what I want to tell you first of all. This is not about learning traditional grammar rules. We are focusing on real life situations. Okay. So when we learn grammar from this channel, we will be learning a lot of things. One of them is English grammar. So when you learn grammar, my objective, my focus is that you should be able to use it in your real life situations, to ask questions to people, to give answers, tell your opinion, start a conversation, use right words at the right time in different tenses. So that is what we are going to learn in English grammar, real life situation based grammar, not grammar rules. We may learn a few grammar rules, but 90% you can expect real life situation based grammar. So this is not like any other grammar class, you can be assured about that. And what you will learn here, real life applications of English grammar. That's what? Real life applications, not grammar rules. Second one, practical English lessons that actually help you in real life situations. These are practical lessons, not just theory. This will actually help you in your real life situations. It helps you to have conversations, frame questions and give answers. So let's get started. Please be an active learner, practice with me. When we are practicing something, please practice along with me, and if you are free, you can practice it loudly or you can practice it in your mind if you are not free. And if you don't have time to take notes, kindly take screenshots of these classes and you can write it down later. So we will learn with the positive sentences. Simple past tense, I will give a quick revision for those who have missed out on the previous classes. Simple past tense is used to talk about actions that you did in the past. For example, if the time is, suppose the time is 1:30 p.m. in India, if it is 1:30 p.m. right now, this is 1:30 p.m. Okay, so anything that you did before 1:30 p.m., just before that, if it is 1 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. right now, it is 1:30 p.m. whatever you did before 1:30 p.m. okay, it can be 1 second before, an hour before, maybe this morning, this afternoon right now, maybe this morning, yesterday, last week, last month, last year, before 10 years. So whatever you did in the past, anything that you did, any action that you did, any action that you completed before the present time, that can be expressed in past tense. And we use past form of verbs, just like go, it is went. Come, the past form is came. Call, called. Inform, informed. Buy, bought. Bring, brought. Write, wrote. All these things we have already covered in the previous classes. Kindly check English grammar playlist link in today's video description. You can click on that link and watch from part 1. I highly suggest you to do that if you have missed out on the previous classes. Okay. So I went to office yesterday. These are positive sentences. I is the subject part. So I have highlighted with the mouse in light blue color on the screen. Please read along with me. I is the subject, went is the past form of verb, office is the object part, and yesterday is the time. Subject is I, went is the past form of verb, office is the object. I went to office yesterday. So I am telling you this today. This is a completed action. This is what I did yesterday. That is in the past. I called him many times. My friend asked me, did you call him? Yes, I called him many times, but he didn't attend the phone. So I called him. Called. The past is called. I called him. I called him. It is a completed action. I is the subject, called is the verb. I reached there at 10 a.m. Okay, so one of my friends asked me, when did you reach your office? When did you reach there? I reached there at 10 a.m. I am specifying a time. Reach, the past is reached. Reach, reached. I reached there. Reached is the past form. This is a completed action. He informed me about the meeting an hour ago. He informed me about the meeting an hour ago. He informed me about the meeting. Inform, the past form is informed. It is completed. He informed me about the meeting an hour ago. My friend called me an hour ago and informed me about the meeting. Now I know there is a meeting. So this is something which happened before an hour. This is something what my friend did before an hour. Before an hour, what did he do? He called me and informed me, okay, there is a meeting today. I called you to inform you that. So he called me and he informed me. That is the past form, informed. They played football for 2 hours. They played football for 2 hours. It is already over. It is already completed. They finished playing right now. Now they are taking rest. Got it? They played football. So you can see that even if the subject is I, he, she, they, etc., the verb is the same. You can use past form of verbs. These are positive sentences which mention an action is completed. Negative sentences. Now let us look at the negative sentences. First one. Here you can see that, for example, if the positive sentence is like, you can look here, I went to office yesterday. That is a positive sentence. I went to office. That is something that you did. Okay. So my friend asked me, did you go to office yesterday? If I want to say, yes, I went to office yesterday, or you can give a negative answer like, I didn't go. I didn't go. If you want to tell someone that you didn't do something in the past, you can say, I didn't or I did not plus the first form of verb. Don't use went here. It is go. Okay. The positive answer is like, I went to office yesterday. The negative answer is like, how is it? I didn't go. I didn't plus first form of verb. I didn't go to office yesterday. You say I didn't plus first form of verb to tell that you did not do something in the past. Anything that you did not do before the present time, you can say I didn't plus first form. I didn't go. I didn't call him. Did you call him yesterday? No. I didn't call him. The positive one is I called him. Yes, I called him. The negative one is no. I didn't call him. I didn't call him. That is the negative one. I didn't reach there at 10 a.m. The positive sentence like, did you reach there at 10 a.m.? My friend asked me, did you reach there at 10 a.m.? I told him what? I can say a positive answer like, yes, I reached there. I reached there is a positive answer. If you want to tell, no, I didn't, you can say, I didn't reach there. So the question is, did you reach there? Yes, I reached there. If it is a negative sentence, no, I didn't reach there at 10 a.m. What does that mean? You reached there very late, not at 10 a.m. Okay. He didn't inform me about the meeting. Did he inform me about the meeting? I told him to inform me about the meeting. Did he inform me? No, he didn't or he did not inform. He didn't inform. That means he didn't inform me about the meeting and I don't know about that meeting right now. They didn't play football. Did they play football in the evening? No, they didn't play football because it was raining at that time. There's a specific reason. It was raining. That is why they didn't play football. So I didn't, he didn't, they didn't. All these things are used to convey a meaning like a negative meaning like that you did not do something in the past time before present. That means you did not do any action or any action is not completed. Now let us talk about the questions part. After this questions revision, after explaining these questions, we will go to question answer practice. Here you have to practice with me. I am requesting you to practice with me either in your mind in a silent manner or you can do it in a loud manner. That will be more effective. Okay. Questions. How do you ask your questions? Did you go to office yesterday? Did you go? If you want to know whether someone did something in the past, you can ask like this. Did you plus first form. Did you go? The answer is I went. Negative answer is I didn't go. The question is did you go? That means did you plus first form of verb. Did you go? Did you go? I want to know whether my friend went to office yesterday. My friend had fever for 2 days. So I want to know whether he went to office yesterday. I want to know. I don't know whether he went to office or not. So I called him and I asked him, did you go to office yesterday? How is your fever? Are you fine now? Are you okay now? Are you well now? Did you go to office yesterday? Did you go? Did you go? I just want to know whether he went to office. Did you call him? Did you call him? I asked, real life situation is like this. I asked my friend John to give a call to Sam to inform about a meeting. I asked my friend John to call Sam and inform him about the meeting. So in the evening, I am calling him and asking him, did you call him in the morning? Did you call him in the morning? Did you call? Did you plus first form? I want to know whether my friend John called Sam. Did you reach there at 10 a.m.? Did you reach there at 10 a.m.? The work starts at 10 a.m. My friend's work started at 10 a.m. So I called him and asked him, did you reach there at 10 a.m.? He was already late. So I want to know whether he reached there on time. So did you reach? Did you plus first form? Did you reach? Did he inform me about the meeting? I told him to inform you about the meeting. Did he inform you? Did he inform you? Okay. Oh, here there is a mistake. It is DID. Okay, sorry for that. Did they play football? I want to know whether they played football or not. I want to know whether they played football or not. So how can I ask, did they play football? Okay, start the question and answer practice. This is the most important practice. This is the most important session in today's class. Please kindly practice with me. If you are completely free, please practice it loudly. I like to make this as interactive as a classroom. Okay, think that this is a real classroom and you are practicing with me, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. I will try my best to reply to your comments and clarify your doubts at the earliest. If I am completely free, I will reply to your comments and clarify your doubts within an hour or max within a day. Okay, so you can expect my quick replies here. Question and answer practice. You have to practice it with me. If you practice with me, you will learn it much faster. Okay. Did you go to office? That is the question. Yes, I went to office. That's a positive answer. No, I didn't go. So you know all the meaning why we use these past forms and all, right? So we'll start with positive sentence. Please repeat with me. I went to office. Once again, I went. I is a subject. Went is a past form. I went to office. Repeat it. I went to office. Next one. I didn't go to office. If you want to tell somebody who didn't go, you can say I didn't go. I didn't go to office. Okay. The question is, did you go to office? Did you go to office? We will repeat it once again. I went to office. Repeat with me. Repeat it with me. I didn't go to office. Sorry. I went to office. Repeat with me. I went to office. Next one. I didn't go to office. Did you go to office? That is a question form. Did you go to office? Now we will make it short and practice. These are the complete sentences that you have to use. But for your convenience, we can start with making it short. If it is a negative, if it is a positive sentence, we can say I went. I went. That's only for the sake of practice. We can make it short. I went. I went. Next one. I didn't go. I didn't go. Once again. I didn't go. The question. Did you go? Did you go? Once again. I went. I went. The next one. I didn't go. I didn't go. The question. Did you go? Did you go? Is it clear? Okay. So when you tell something that you did something, you can use the past form. Here it is went. Next one is I didn't plus present form. I didn't go. The question format is did you plus first form of verb. Did you go? Next example. Please practice with me. I called him. I called him. I called him. Repeat with me. I called him. The next one. Here there is another mistake here. Okay. So I didn't call him. I didn't call him. Got it? I called him. Next one is I didn't call him. Repeat with me. I didn't call him. The question. You want to know whether your friend called another person. Did you call him? Did you call him? Okay, we will make it short now. I called. Once again. I called. I didn't call. Did you call? Once again. I called. I didn't call. Did you call him? This is called tongue training. We are training your tongue, not your brain. I drank tea. I drank tea. That's the past form. I didn't drink tea. That is a negative one. Okay. Did you drink tea? Once again. I drank tea. I didn't drink tea. Did you drink tea? Please practice with me. I drank tea. I didn't drink tea. Did you drink tea? So we learned a lot of question and answer examples here. So I hope the portion is very clear to you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comments. Okay. So that's all for today. So please check the English grammar playlist for detailed classes. If you have missed out on the previous classes, I highly suggest you to check English grammar playlist in today's video description. You can click on that link to watch from part 1, or else you can check the channel homepage and you can find English grammar playlist from there. Okay. If you found this training session very useful, please give me a like for this video. It's quite inspiring for me to offer you such quality training sessions. If you think this is worth sharing with your friends, kindly share it with other people. It might be useful for them too. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss any upcoming training sessions. Thanks for watching. Have a great time. I'll be back with the next training session very soon. Bye.